Why are you guys playing tennis today?
Yes. It's because it's powwow. Ow, dude! Well, today is a school day. We already had school. And we did all our homework. And our dad works for the elephant. No, me. Okay, you pitch. Next time I go, I can see. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh, God. We'll shut the window. Flop, 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 flop. That sounds like a bird. No, you did not.
Hey Nick, how do we play tennis?
You saw it, then hit it to start. Throw it in.
How do we end the video, Nick?